Hello guys, welcome back to sankatechtips channel again. Today I'm talking about something we are using every day and something bothers many times in a day. So that is about Google Chrome. I think you know what I'm going to tell you. Yes, of course it is about speed up the Google Chrome. As you see here, my browser is slowing when I open a site. Sometimes it's get stuck in loading or receiving data. Some of you uninstall Chrome when you got stuck this. It's worst with low-budget PCs, but don't worry, I think this methods will fix that issue, but low-budget PCs have to do something more to fix this issue, and I think you know about those things. Now let's go to first method to do this faster. This step is so easy, and this one automatically doing by browser. Okay, there is 3 dots in right upper corner like this in your browser. Click it and go to settings. In here click bottom left side about Chrome. In that windows it is automatically running update. Search if is there any new update, it will download with this. Chrome update will make fast browser. If you are updated to new version you won't be worry about that. If this wasn't fix your issue, we can go to next step to make fast. Small request to you, please subscribe this channel, like and share this video, that makes so much help for me now. Number 2, close unused tabs. In this step, can you think how many tabs you are using in single time? Some of us we open many tabs while we working or searching something. Here I have opened many tabs. You see here little lagging between switching tabs. Mostly that data capacity depends on our RAM memory. Low RAM will slow down your PC so much. More tabs you have open, the harder Chrome has to work. I'm recommend you to closing tabs you aren't using. On tab click cross symbol to close tabs. Ctrl+W shortcut working for Windows, Linux, and Chrome OS. For Mac use Option +W to close tabs. Number 3, stop unwanted extension. Did you know your extensions can make slow your browser and PCs? Yes it does. Let's see how to fix that issue here. In that case we can use it like we using when we stuck in Windows. Let's see how to do that. Click 3 dot on upper right side. Then go to more tools, then click extension. Inside that you will see all extensions you were using or you weren't using. In here you can remove those or disable. Like I'm doing right here. These extensions start to ruining when we open the browser. That means browser will slow down when these start to working, so remove these and make your PCs faster. So here you can see I have many unwanted extensions, therefore I'm remove all here fast for your concern.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud.
Number 4, stop unwanted tasks. We all know operating system has task manager option. Did you know browser has that option too? Yes, definitely browsers has that option. You have to open it with click upper right corner 3 dots, and then go to more tools, then task manager. Path is the same which is I showing right now in the video. In that task manager you can see memory footprint tab. You can click it until it's listed down high memory capacity to low memory capacity. Then you can choose which program you want to remove. Here is the tip. Look for any items labeled background page. You can remove that process. Keep this in your mind, any unsaved work in your task will be lost when you press the end process button.
It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can, just tell me.
Number 5, open pages faster. Now matter what we do in Chrome, it's getting stuck or slowing down. Like it says I'm born to slow you down, but that's not what we want. We want to do our works faster. Here now go to settings, then to privacy and security, then go to cookies and other site data. Now turn on preload pages for faster browsing and searching, but in my browser that option is not available. I don't know why is that. But I set allow all cookies and I restarted browser, then that option automatically turned on. I think that's fixed auto. Number 6, checks for malware. Sometime we have malware attacks without we knowing. It happens with our accidentally, or cause some works we doing. Normally it happen installing cracked, damaged, hacked, or when we approach some unprotected websites. With this option in Chrome is fascinating. Again, go to settings, click advance, then to reset and clean up option, then go to clean up computer, in that click add. Chrome will scan all your PC for malware. If there is any, Chrome will send message to Google about that malware, and it will be automatically cleaned. This scan took half hour in my PC. It is depend on your system and file load, so I just skipped that time to end. I think this is enough for today. And also this video might be help for everyone. If your PC facing a problem, you can tell me about it. I will bring you the solution for your issue. Comment us down in the comment section. And subscribe us and hit thumbs up. Also don't forget to share this video. See you guys in the next chapter.